Welcome to episode 2 of Cooking with Melanie. We're going to be whisking away misconceptions about OCD. We'll start with a refresher. Obsessions are upsetting thoughts, images, or impulses that occur over and over against the person's will. For today's recipe, we'll be looking at relationship OCD. Some people with relationship OCD are afraid that they don't truly love their partner, even though another part of them knows that they really do. So we'll add in the person with the obsessive fears. We'll also add in some compulsions. Compulsions are repetitive thoughts and behaviors that the person does to try to reduce the distress. So I've got a partner here, and what the person might do is ask their partner for reassurance or compulsively confess their doubts about the relationship. So we'll put in the partner, and we'll whisk this up. But once again, there's hope. So I'll put these guys over here, and I'm going to grab my recipe for treatment, and I'll also grab my new ingredients. So do you guys remember my pilot episode where I taught you about exposure and response prevention? So exposure and response prevention is exposing oneself to the scary situation and preventing the response, that compulsion. Feeling refreshed? We're going to look at a type of exposure and response prevention called imaginal scripts. For this, we'll need the worst case scenario of what could happen in the relationship. So we'll add in that scenario. We then need the person to record it on their phone. So in goes the phone. And then we want the person to listen to it over and over on a loop for 45 to 60 minutes daily. But because this is scary, we need courage. If you're running low on courage, you can use bravery instead. An example of what might be in the imaginal script is writing about how the person doesn't really love their partner and that they're going to be miserable for the rest of their lives. And the idea is, as the person listens to this over and over, their anxiety will go up, but eventually it will come down. So we'll whisk up our ingredients. Now remember to serve this daily for 45 to 60 minutes. And please join me next time as we continue to whisk away misconceptions about OCD. Reassurance that the relationship is, but there's hope. Just like last time of OCD. You want the person to listen to it on headphones over and over again. Wait, never mind, it doesn't have to be on headphones.